Morning. Welcome to Sober Mornings on the Sober Joe YouTube channel. Today is August 10th, and we're going to continue looking at step 8 in the daily reflection reader. This is about continuing to identify those that we've harmed and becoming willing to make amends to them. Redoubling our efforts. To agree, he has done this when taking moral inventory, but now the time has come when he ought to redouble his efforts to see how many people he has hurt and in what ways. That's from the 12 and 12, page 77. As I continue to grow in sobriety, I become more aware of myself as a person of worth. In the process, I'm better able to see others as persons. And with this comes the realization that these were people whom I had hurt in my drinking days. I didn't just lie, I lied about Tom. I didn't just cheat, I cheated Joe. What were seemingly impersonal acts were really personal affronts because it was people of worth whom I had harmed. I need to do something about the people I have hurt so that I may enjoy a peaceful sobriety. Yeah, it's easy to look back and not really face the reality of our actions and the consequences of our actions and the people we hurt and the people we caused pain to. Um, I think part of the biggest symptom of our disease of alcoholism is that we didn't face our problems and we drank to escape them. And we've got a whole trail of wreckage in our wake that we need to clean up before we can live in peace. Otherwise, we're looking over our shoulder. Otherwise, we're continuing to harbor resentments. Otherwise, we're carrying around guilt and shame. And all of those are things that cause us to drink if we don't clean them up. So that's the power and the reason for the eighth and ninth step, so that we can find peace and that we won't have that driver of our obsession to drink. It will be gone. We can leave it behind and know some freedom. Remember, we do this one day at a time. And the best way to have a sober day is to start with a sober morning. Thanks for tuning in.